A sparkling introduction, unveiling the star. The star card is one of the most enchanting and uplifting cards in the tarot deck. It represents hope, inspiration, and a sense of renewal. When you see this card, it's like the universe is giving you a big, warm hug. The star card. It's like the best disco ball in the universe. Imagine the light reflecting off it, casting a magical glow all around. This card is a beacon of positivity and a reminder that there is always a way forward, no matter how dark things may seem. It shimmers with hope and possibility. Just looking at it makes you feel good, doesn't it? The star encourages us to dream big and believe in the beauty of our aspirations. It's a symbol of faith and trust in the universe. It's all about new beginnings, darling. Just like the dawn of a new day or the first bloom of spring flowers, the star signifies a fresh start and the promise of a brighter future. In the world of tarot, the star is like that friend who always cheers you up. It's the card that brings comfort and reassurance, reminding you that you are never alone and that there is always hope. It's a breath of fresh air. The star card invites you to take a moment to breathe, to relax, and to let go of any worries. It's a gentle reminder to trust in the process and to have faith in the journey. The card reminds us that even in darkness there's always light, just like a single star can illuminate the night sky or a lighthouse can guide ships through the storm. The star card is a symbol of guidance and hope. Now let's delve into the cosmic dance of the star, shall we? This card is a celebration of the universe's beauty and the interconnectedness of all things. It's a reminder that we are all part of something much larger than ourselves. This celestial beauty has a lot to say. The star card is a powerful symbol of hope, inspiration, and the endless possibilities that lie ahead. So whenever you feel lost or uncertain, just look to the star and let its light guide you. Every detail on the star card tells a story, sweetie. Look closely. See the beautiful woman. She represents hope and renewal. The water, that symbolizes healing and abundance. It flows freely, just like our emotions should. And those stars, each one is a beacon of inspiration. They remind us that we are all connected to something bigger than ourselves. The large star, that's our guiding light, darling. It's the universe saying, "You've got this." When the star card pops up in a reading, it's like winning a cosmic lottery. This card is a symbol of hope, inspiration, and renewal. It's a sign that the universe is aligning in your favor, bringing you the energy and clarity you need to move forward. Imagine the feeling of a fresh start, a new dawn breaking after a long night. That's the essence of the star. It brings good news. Think hope, inspiration, and serenity. The star card is like a guiding light, showing you the way through the darkness. It's a reminder that no matter how tough things have been, there is always a chance for renewal and growth. It encourages you to look at the bigger picture and trust that everything will work out in the end. Have you been going through a rough patch? Don't worry. The star card is here to tell you that brighter days are coming. It's a beacon of hope, signaling that the challenges you've faced are temporary and that you have the strength to overcome them. It's about finding peace and tranquility within yourself, even when the world around you seems chaotic. The star is here to tell you that brighter days are coming. It's a promise of renewal and a fresh start. This card encourages you to stay positive and keep your faith alive. It's a reminder that after every storm, the sun will shine again, and you will find your way to happiness and fulfillment. It's a reminder to have faith. This card encourages you to follow your dreams. The star card is all about believing in yourself and your potential. It's about setting your sights high and reaching for the stars. It tells you that you have the power to manifest your desires and create the life you've always wanted. So dream big and take those steps towards your goals. It's time to embrace your inner star power. You are capable of amazing things. The star card is a call to recognize your own brilliance and to let it shine. It's about embracing your unique talents and gifts and using them to make a positive impact on the world. Remember, you are a star in your own right and the world needs your light. So, go on, darling. Shine brightly. The world needs your light. Let your inner light guide you and inspire others. The star card is a beautiful reminder that you have the power to bring hope and joy to those around you. So step into your light and let it shine for all to see. The universe is cheering you on. Section 4. The Star Reversed, Navigating Through Darkness. Even stars experience darkness sometimes, darling. The night sky, vast and infinite, holds both light and shadow. It's a reminder that even in the most expansive spaces, darkness can find its place. When reversed, the star card might suggest a feeling of being lost or disconnected. It's as if the guiding light you once followed has dimmed, leaving you to navigate through a foggy landscape. You might be feeling a bit down. This sense of melancholy can be overwhelming, making it hard to see the path ahead. Maybe you've lost your sparkle. That's all right, it happens. Life's challenges can sometimes dim our inner light, but remember, it's never truly extinguished. We all go through it. Everyone faces moments of doubt and uncertainty. It's a shared human experience, and you're not alone in this journey. This is a time for introspection. Use this period to look inward, to understand your feelings and thoughts. Meditation, journaling, or simply spending time in nature can help you reconnect with your true self. It's an invitation to reconnect with yourself and your inner wisdom. Trust that within you lies the strength and clarity you seek. Remember, even in the darkest of nights, the stars are still there. They may be hidden behind clouds, but their presence is unwavering. They're just waiting for the clouds to clear. And when they do, their brilliance will guide you once more, illuminating your path with hope and inspiration. Section 5. Embrace the guiding light of the star. The star card, whether upright or reversed, is a powerful reminder that we are never alone. The universe has your back. Remember to look up at the stars every now and then. Let their light guide you. Trust in the journey, darling, and never ever give up on your dreams. Section 6. Connect with the cosmos. So what do you think of the star card? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more cosmic insights. Until next time, stay fabulous and keep shining bright.